rin. And also, in sync with about Ikuno's game show. And our vlog number 64 and episode 64. Subscribe na to YouTube channel. Sana po, parang magiging 30 subscribers na po yung mga lahat ng tao. Ito ang vlog number 64 and episode 64 entitled Aldab and NSYNC Quiz Update. Here's your vlog. Okay, start now. We're beginning with the Aldab. Aldab, nakakatapos naman na may plywood, tapos na tayo sa blindfold at saka sa long table. Ngayon, ito lang, simulan natin. Start with the long note touch.
God gave me you to show me what's real, and there's more to life than just how I feel, and all that I'm worth.
Yung nabisita sa pansyon, si Alden with their lola and Yaya Dab. Then, bigla nangyari na 1 foot, 1 foot, may measure results, okay naman. Pero don't touch ka rin. And then, binigay na flowers, no, okay naman. Kaya, meters na muna. And then, kapag kumakain, meron ding trip to Jerusalem. And, kung bakit, kakain na siya ng may pansit, may cake, at may tubig. Kaso, ang problema pala, yung no touch. Meron na, nag-touch na po. Nainom siya na to, bigla na ng hawak na kamay ni Alden. So, lagot na. No, touch na, dapat no touch na lang. Bakit din na ng hashtag na Aldab meets TBJ?
It's right before my eyes, and all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do.
The Lolas are meet TBJ and Alden and Yaya Dab meet again for their visit in the Broadway Central. And ang pinaka-best, yung bato-bato pick. Yung bato-bato pick, kung sino naman nanalo, si Alden, yan na, maupo na si Alden. Pagka hindi na si Alden, hindi na mangupo. Si Lola ni Dora nanalo. And the results, manalo si Alden with 3-2. And then, nagtouch na, or nagsishake hands na dalawa. And then, bigla nangyari, nagbubo juice pa, at may kadate pa. And your Yola ni Dora, habang nagpipicture, and then, selfie na yung mga favorite, kasama yung mga rubber cuts sa Itbulaga. And then, pagkatin yan, yan na yung, papunta na sa, sa barangay si Alden. And, last time, they announced ang kanilang buong galon para sa Tama Panahon concert sa Philippine Arena noong October 24, 2020. Malaman natin yung abangan replay sa Kalye Serie on 8 Bulaga. Okay, it's time, our second. Of Justin Timberlake, JC Chazay, Joey Paton, Lance Bash, and Chris Kilpatrick. 5 question. Ang mistake sa question number 3 ko, at Tear Up My Heart ay isang originally offer for Backstreet Boys assess mali. Pero ang tama, yun ang tama. Kasi, ayun na mali po. Ay, ano po tama? Eh di, tama po. Kasi, originated na Backstreet Boys, tapos, na eventually, NSYNC na. Then, yung iba, had a relationship with Britney Spears, yes, Justin Timberlake. Tapos, second album sa September, hindi. Sa first album. Then, Justin Timberlake, hindi po. Dance Batch siya, On the Line. And Joey Paton sa As a Judge, no. That's JC Chesney of America's Best Dance Group. Okay, that's it for our... Ang ganda namang yung questions. Ayan po. And now, oras na para sa ating COVID-19 tips. Okay. Ang COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 19, ito yung sakit na katulad ng sipon, upo, at natnat, pati na sa di na hinga. Okay? Di na hinga. Ano po yung tutod na symptoms? Pneumonia, acute respiratory syndrome, and hindi nang hinga o hindi na kaya. Here's some tips about COVID-19. 1. Wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds. 2. Always cover your mouth and nose para makahatching ka, para iwasan ng hatching. 3. Wear your mask kapag iwasan yung maraming tao na hindi mahirapan. Next is, kailangan kumain ng masustansya pagkain katulad ng fruits and vegetables and also especially fish, meats, and eggs. Then, iwasan, see the doctor para may natnat or sakit. Okay? Para magkonsulta sa doktor araw-araw. And lastly, manatili na lang sa bahay. Okay? That's alright. And that's it for this vlog. Hope you'll see you next vlog. Sana po, para wala na po COVID-19, para maging general community quality ng Metro Manila. Hope you join. Bye-bye!